Pranav and I'm in year 1 and we'll be showing you in the next page how to make a cat clicker, and we'll be doing some hacks, scratch hacks, and in the end, and some basics of scratch when we are making the scratch clicker, and you'll know some stuff to do when you are going to make up another project, and you can use to put it in backpack to use it in other more projects. And please subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to code a scratch cat. So we are going to make a cat clicker. So today's game you need today you need to title it scratch clicker, and you do when this sprite clicked, put turn right 15 degrees, and you put change size by, and you do like that, and it'll be like that. So you need, and you go to variables and you type score. Yeah, I know my handwriting is bad. So you put that score into that, and score by 1. I'll show you. See, that's the example, and you just put a like. And it will change. Then you do this. See, yeah, that's good. Then you put this, and you put this back, and you put score, and you put set value, and put score, and that's it for today's scratch clicker game.